Hello, it is Whitley from JPack with another cooking video. Today, we are making watermelon pizza. You might be thinking, what in the world is a watermelon pizza? Well, you will see. So we are going to make like the sauce for our watermelon pizza. Here's our watermelon. It's very big. So you are going to want a block of cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you want it softened. So this has been sitting out at room temperature for a couple of hours, which is fine. It won't hurt you, I promise. It's gonna make it a whole lot easier to work with by it being at room temperature. So. Use my big knife. Let's cut this open. There we go. There is a big knife used in this recipe, so make sure you have an adult handy for that part. So, we got our block, cream cheese. Just gonna pop that right on in there. Okay. Followed by 2 cups of ricotta cheese. So this is the same kind of cheese that's like used when you make tiramisu. It goes inside ravioli. So really, like, it's not a cheesy, melty, gooey kind of cheese. It's one of those cheeses that like it can taste like anything. So you want 2 cups of ricotta, and this has 7 servings at 1/4 cup, so it's a little short of 2 cups, but it's fine. Okay, that doesn't want to come out, so we'll just use our handy dandy spatula, and again, it just plops right on out. Okay, then you are going to want honey, and this is my favorite honey. It is orange blossom. You can use any kind of honey that you want. You can also swap out, like if you don't eat honey, you can swap out and use some agave. You can use maple. Maple would be really good. You want about 1/4 cup. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Figure out its own thing. Alright. And you also want some vanilla. You're going to want 2 teaspoons. Vanilla. And again, vanilla, you don't really need to measure it. You just kind of eyeball it. I know, it smells so good. Alright, so you can also use the cap. The cap is about a teaspoon. So, this is the easy part. You just mix it all together until it becomes one consistency. And the honey is more mixed in instead of just swirled in. So we'll just keep mixing that. And this is why you want your cream cheese at room temperature, because it makes it so much easier to do this without having to fight with it. So we'll have this sauce ready in a second. Really, you just want to mix it until there aren't any big lumps of cream cheese. So now, on to the part that you'll need a grown-up for. You get your watermelon, and you want it to be about a 1-inch thick slice. Go slow and steady around the equator. All right, so ta-da! We're only going to need 1/2 of this. I'm going to take this half. So you'll eyeball off about an inch. away from the blade. So it's very quickly going in the direction of more than an inch. But it's okay. We can make it work. It also helps if you like cut a flat side, which I did not do. But it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Alright, so that didn't quite go how we wanted it to. But honestly, we can make this work. So you'll end up with like 4 of these. We'll pretend that this is one whole slice. So then that knife will go over there. You will take some of your sauce, pop it down. You'll want a seedless watermelon. Even seedless watermelons have some seeds in it, so just sort of keep that in mind. Then you just kind of zhuzh it around. And then you can top it however you like. I really like toasted coconut. I'll show you how to make said toasted. Okay, so it's actually really easy to make your own toasted coconut flakes in the microwave. So you put your coconut on the plate. You want sweetened coconut. So you try to pat it all out into one layer, and then put it in the microwave. And then you'll want to let it cook for 30-second increments until the coconut is toasty and it smells really nice. So it should take about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Okay, so this is after 1 minute, and they're getting there, but you might want them a little bit more toasted. It smells really good though. So we'll just do a couple seconds and just see. And just kind of keep an eye on it because we don't want them to burn. So you just sprinkle it on. And you can top it with whatever berries that you like to. I personally really love some blackberries. So put some of those out there. I love raspberries. Put a couple of those. I'm gonna eat this little wedge over here for myself. And then I love strawberries so much. So make sure you take the little green top off. Just cut it into pieces. There we go. All right. And then you'll just cut the rounds into pizza wedges. So, all right, so I got coconut, I got some blackberry, I got some strawberries. I'm gonna try those. Absolutely perfect for summer. Oh yeah, you can totally eat this like sitting on the back porch, watching the sun go down. Yes, that is really good. And super easy, honestly. The mixing of our sauce was the hardest part. So try it out, see what creative toppings you can put on it. I'll catch you next time.